Hello lovely viewers, I welcome you to Omades, and please, if today be the first time you are visiting the channel, kindly subscribe for more graphic design tutorials. And right now the software that I'm using is Corel Draw, and as time goes on I'll be approaching other softwares like Microsoft Word, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, and Adobe Photoshop. But for the meantime, I'm using Corel Draw. Yeah, so today what I want us to learn is how to design some discount labels. There are many, we cannot do all, so we are trying to design some discount labels. So first of all, what are some of the discount labels? Let's say we take rectangle tool, draw something like this. Okay, please follow me carefully as I go through the process. Then you take shape tool, then you hold the edges here. Okay, then you curve it a bit. Okay, good. Now after you convert to curves by going to object, come to convert to curves. Okay, good. So now you convert to curves, then you copy one of this. Okay, good. Then I draw something like this here. Okay, then I take smart fill, then I click here. Okay, then I delete this one, then I rotate this one like this by putting my hand on the control, then I rotate it like this. Okay, good. It should be straight. Okay, can zoom it and make it straight like this. Okay, good. Now after you select with this one, then you come here, then you weld it. Okay, you weld it. Now you can fill it a color like this. Okay, then you put your hand on the shift, then you drag this one inside. Good. Then after this one, it is filled with the same red like this. Okay, undo. So after you remove the fill, okay, by coming here, you click on this one. Okay, good. The fill is removed. Then this line, I will make it dotted line. Okay, instead of straight line. So you come here, then you choose a dotted line like this. Okay, and I can make it, let's say, white. Now I can increase the size by coming here. Yeah, good. Then let me remove this one, the outline. Good. Then I come here, I draw ellipse. I take ellipse tool, I put my hand on a control, and I draw a perfect circle. Okay, then I put it here. Okay, put it somewhere here like this. Then I fill it white. I remove the outline. Come here, you remove the outline. Okay, good. So I can give this one a shadow. Come here, take a shadow, then I give it to this one. Okay, now then this is a discount, one of the discount labels. Okay, so I can write here, let's say 30%, and I choose a font for it. Good. I take the shape tool and make it compatible by putting it here. Okay, good. I've written the 30, the percent should come. Okay, I copy it and I type percentage sign. Good, like this. Okay, good. Now, and I can join another one. Okay, by copying this one, then I rotate it like this. Okay, and I'll change this one, the color. Let's see, good. Then I'll change this one. Let's say I'll make it 70. Okay, 70%. Then I'll hold the two together by doing this. Rectangle 2, then you draw something like this. Okay, then you hold here, then you regulate it like this. Okay, let me compress it some more. Then I rotate it, I put it here. It's too big. Compress it like this. Okay, like this. Then I put it here. Okay, then I copy one, I rotate it, I mirror it, sorry, then I join it here like this. Okay, like this. I'll join together like this. Okay, okay, like this. Then I select this one, I select this one, then I weld it. Okay, then let's say I give it a color. Let's say this color. Okay, good. So this one, two different types of discount label. So this is number one. So what again, there's also another nice discount label like this. You take rectangle 2, you draw something like this. Okay, click pick 2, you come here, you convert to curves. Then you take the shape 2, you click here, you come here, convert to curves, then you pull here down a bit. Okay, then it's something like this. You click here to give you this arrow, then you pull here also up a bit. Okay, like this. Okay, now you do the same thing here. Click here, come here, then here will be up a bit. Okay, then here will be down small. Okay, now you give it a color, then you come here, interactive fill, draw it, take elliptical fountain, then I put in this one. Okay, good. There's something like this. Okay, good. Now I come here, I remove the outline, then I click here, I pull here up a bit. Now take this one, then you draw something like this here. Okay, okay, something like this. Okay, like this. Good. Then you double click here, then you double click here, I cut this place, you select here, then you delete it. Okay, then you come here, you click here, then you rotate, you regulate this place. Okay, to be like something curve. Okay, then here too, you regulate it like this. Okay, so I must go inside like this. Okay, so I will come here, I will come here a bit. Good, sorry. And this is not what I want. Okay, so you take smart fill, then you click here. Okay, good. Then you delete what you drew, then you remove the outline like this. This one, I have to work on this one small. Good. Then you put it there like this one. Good. Now right click on this one, order, you send it behind this red one. Okay, then you take interactive fill, draw, and you come here, then you take the deep one, okay, like this, and here too you take the deeper one, a different color which is deeper than this one, okay, like this. Okay, good. Now I select all, I compress it a bit, okay, then I click here, I do like this. Now you take shape tool, double click here, okay, make a zigzag like this, double click, double click, double click, double click, double click, okay, then you double click, get something like this. Okay, good. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. Here still remains Omades, and we are trying to design some labels, discount labels. Yeah, good. So now it should go up a bit. Good. Now after you take this freehand, click here, put your hand on the control, you stretch it down to draw a straight line. Now make sure you start with the end of this one exactly. Then you come here, okay, we have many dotted lines. Then you take, I think this one is okay. Okay, then you increase the outline like this. It's too much. One, good. Good. Now I take one of these percentages. Let me ungroup. I don't want to retype it anymore. Ungroup. Yeah. Then I put it here. Okay. And this one will be, let's say, 50. Okay. And I select all. I rotate it a bit like this. I select all, then I group it. Okay. So this is another discount label. Okay. Then what again? There's another nice discount label. That one too. You take rectangle to draw something like this. Okay. Good. Then you hold the edges like this. Okay. Now let me bring it back. You can hold here. Okay, you click only this place once like this. Okay, you see when you click here, you see this place, that point there has turned to black, but this one, the inside are white, meaning if I control, only this place will control. Okay, then I put it up like this, and I do the same thing here like this. Okay, yes, sorry. Good. Now like I did this one, then I take this, then I draw something like this, click here, then draw something like this. You come here, then you fill here. Okay, I take this one, I delete this one, then I make sure I rotate it nicely like this. Then this one, I start from here, I stretch it to this side. Okay, like this. Good. Good. I stretch it here like that. Okay, now you select this one, then you weld it. Okay, again you select this one, now you select this one by pressing your hand on the shift, then you weld it. Okay, good. Now here is something small, it didn't join well, so let me regulate it manually. Okay, this place too a bit small. We are trying to design some discount labels. Okay, now after you put one guideline here, okay, then you take a shape tool like this, you double click here, then you double click here. Okay, good. Now I pull this one on the right a bit by putting my hand on the control because I want to maintain its position. I don't want it to shift. Then I do the same thing here. Well, after I click here, I convert to curves, then I rotate this place small. Okay, small. Okay, small like this. Okay, let me bring it back small like this. Okay, good. I do the same thing here. Put this one here, but I click here, click on this one, then I come here, I come here. Okay, good. Now after I can fill in red, then I do my usual thing, come here, take my interactive fill, then I work on it. Okay, I work on it like this, put something different color here. Okay, like this. Or I can put the same color here, double click here, then you add that color there. Okay, I can add another color here, choose the deep one a bit like this. Okay, I do the same thing here, double click there, then you press your hand on the color. It will bring the intensities of the color, the tint, and the, what do you call it, the dark one. Okay, like this. Good, good, good. Something like this. I think this one is too deep. Let me come here and choose it. Okay, do the same thing here. And note, these colors, you can either choose it from here or you can pick it from here like this. If you click on this one, you see this dialog box. If you click on, you can choose the color from here where you drag it. Okay, this picker, wherever you drag it, you can sample the color from there, and you can also choose it from here. Okay, anywhere. Okay, good. Now I remove the outline like this, then I take this, then I draw something like this. Okay, good. Then take the shape tool, bring this one back a bit, then I will click here, convert to curves, then I make sure I put this one inside a bit, then I regulate it. Okay, like I've been doing always. Okay, good, like this. Okay, regulate it like that. Okay, something like this. Okay, then after you draw another one here like this. Okay, to cut across this one. Okay, then you take smart fill, you click here. Okay, then I delete the one I drew. Okay, good. Now I have this. I remove the outline by coming here and I put it back there. I make sure this one goes behind the red one. Okay, like this. You right click, order, back of page. Okay, make sure it's straight. This one is straight. Okay, falls within the tip of the red one. Okay, like this. Now you put it inside a bit. Good. Now After you take this, okay, and you know the usual thing, come here, sorry, red, and pick one here. You pick a deeper one from inside like this. Sorry, it should be here on this one. Good, something like this. Okay. Good. Now I copy this one and put the same thing back here. Then I mirror it like this. Okay. I send it behind. Okay, like that. I have to work on it some more. Okay. Go like that. Now, when you finish, I have to draw something like, let's say, a shadow or a resting point. I have to draw something like shadow or a resting point. So what you do is you take this one, okay, then you draw something like this, okay, then you give it, say, black but not 100% black. Then you remove the outline, okay, then you come here, you convert to curves, objects, convert to curves, do something like this, okay, do the same thing here, okay, good. Now you come to effect, blur, Gaussian blur, okay, good, something like this, yeah, okay, and I can open it up a bit. Good. When you finish, you right click, you send it behind it, sorry, right click, order, back of layer, okay, like this. Then you take, let me delete this line so that you understand well. You take a rectangle tool and draw something like this, okay, then you make sure it falls within the tip of this line I did, this shadow that I did. Then you stretch it to the other side also. Then you remove the outline, then you give it a white line like this. Then you order, okay, that one should go behind this one, so you order back of page like this. That's gone too much, it must be on top of this one, okay, yeah. So best or better still, you click on this one, you right click, order, this one should come front, okay, like this, you see, yeah, it is there like this, good. So this is also another discount by this one. I don't think the black should be 70, but this is for tutorial purpose, so this one should be 70, this one can be, let's say, 10, okay, good. So then this one we can add off, 70% discount off, okay, like this, okay, then we write the discount somewhere here, discount, good, something like this, use the shape tool to make it loose, okay, good. So this is another discount label, and we are coming to do the last one. There are many, but just for tutorial purpose, I'm coming to do the last one. Okay, so I can reduce all of this. Okay, I group this one. Okay, it's already grouped. This one is also already grouped. I'll bring this one here. Now the last one that we are coming to do is also another type of discount label. So first of all, you take this star. Okay, take the star, then you increase it, let's say 20. Okay, then you draw 20 is even small. Then make it 30. Type 30. Good. Then you take this one. Okay, shape 2. Then you hold this red line. You see this red line here. Hold it. Then you pull it back. Okay, pull it back. Okay, like this. Then okay, then you do like this. Okay, good. Now this is the thickness where it goes, the deepens it go. Okay, look at it very carefully. Have you seen? When this one, it comes out. Okay, good. So that is that. So now you come back here, you take the shape to, you click this red point. Okay, like that, pull it back. So now that you finish like this, okay, let me reduce it a bit. I can give it a color, let's say yellow. Okay, give it a yellow. Then I take this ellipse tool. Okay, I draw a perfect circle by putting my hand on a control. I draw something like this. Okay, good. I draw something like this. Then this one is not a perfect circle. That is why I'm regulating this one manually. Then I increase the outline by coming here, choose 3. Then I copy one again by putting my hand on a shift. Then I reduce it. Okay, I drag it inside and I right click. Then I come here. Okay, I reduce the outline, the size. Okay, now first of all, let me put this one somewhere here by copying it. Okay, somewhere here. Then I increase this one. Then I draw a normal star. Okay, star is how many size? 5. Okay, I type size 5. So this one was selected, that is why it is affected. So you take this one, you draw this one, then I type here to be 5. Okay, good. Like this, I fill it a color black, then I reduce it. It has an outline. I have to remove the outline. Come here, none. Good. Now I can hold here, take a shape tool, and hold here and regulate it a bit. Okay, so it will be a bit different from star. Okay, good. Now I come here. Okay, let me zoom it and bring the star here. I come here, then I put this one here. Okay, then I click on this star, I click on the second one again, I bring it somewhere here. I want to find the midpoint of this one, and in order for me to find the midpoint of this circle, okay, you have to come here, view, then this snap. Okay, it's off. I have to put it on, then you click on. Okay, like this. Now You come here, click on first one, click on second one. Now let's drag it. You see this is the center. Good. Now you come here, Windows, come to Dockers, then come to transform. Okay, now you can give the angle like let's say 5, and let's try and see. Then the copies is okay, then let's apply and see. Good, but it's too close, so you go to undo. The distance is too close. Go to undo, then I'll make it, let's say I click on 10. Let's see, it's okay. This one is okay, 10 is okay. Then I go, you see it will go round the circle till it meets. Okay, good. Now then this one is no more necessary. Good. Now I can copy this one of the circles by putting my hand on a shift. I stretch it big like this. Okay, then I give it this color, then I send it by right click order back. Okay, good. Then I remove the outline by coming here, none. Okay, let me stretch it a bit. Then I do the same thing by copying another one like this. Okay, or let me reduce this one rather, then I copy another one like this. Okay, then I send this one also back, then I change the color. I want this one to be the first color, then this one to be this color. The difference is too close, you cannot differentiate it. Good, something like this. This one will be this one, then this one will be, let's say, good. Or I can still reverse it. Okay, good, like this. Then you remove this outline, I don't want it. Come here, none. Now when you finish like this, you can group all. Okay, can group this one, the yellow. Okay, good. I've grouped the yellow. Okay, only the yellow. Good. The yellow and the circle and the stars, I've grouped all of them. Then you take rectangle, you draw something like this. Okay, then you click on again, you rotate it like this. Okay, now that I've finished, I want to put the snap off. Okay, else it will disturb me. Okay, put it off again. Good. Now I can give this one a different color like this. Then let me off this one. Let me put this one aside. When I finish, then I bring it back. Okay, then you remove the outline. Okay, then you come here, copy another one. You can reduce it. Okay, like this. You can copy another one. Then you can increase it, the size. Okay, you can put another one here. You can put different. I can select all. Okay, and copy it here again. Yeah, something like this, but it has to be different colors like this. Okay, the colors has to be multiples, shouldn't be one. So I can choose any color for it like this. Then this one white, this one yellow. Then I can put one here, it is white. Put another one here. I'll put another one here. Okay, and it should be tiny. Okay, should be tiny. And the rest can also put some close together like this. Okay, like this. Yeah, Good. Now let me draw another one also here, very tiny one like this. I increase it a bit. Okay, give it white. Yeah, then I'll put another one also somewhere here, also a different color. Put one also here. I change the size, also a different color like this. And then after, I pick this one and bring it on this one. This one, because these lines came late, this one has went down, so we have to order front of page like this. Okay, good. Then like this, and then this one inside. Now let me give a shadow to this one. So you come here, choose a shadow, and I give a shadow to this one. Okay, just to differentiate it from the other colors. Okay, like this. Now then I can draw another star. Okay, 5 like this. Then I give it a different colors. I remove the outline and I'll be putting it somewhere here like this. Okay, yellow, black or blue, black. But it shouldn't be the same size. I can reduce it. Okay, yeah, yeah, good. Yes, still remains on my desk. Please, if you have any question, kindly drop it under the comment section, or if you have any comment, to drop it under the comment section. This one, then I mirror it like this, put it somewhere here. Okay, good, like this. Then I can put some also here. Okay, like that, and decrease it. Can change the color, any color that you want. And the same thing here. Good. And mirror it. Good. Choose a different colors for it. So that is that. Now after, I can also give this one a percentage. Okay, this is also some of the percentage, some of the discount. Okay, yeah, discount labels. Let me select this one. This one, the shadow is disturbing me. Let me put it outside, and I copy one of this again. Okay, I send it back, order, and I send it back. I can give it let's say another color like this, or let's say color like this. Okay, if I put this one on, this one, it seems like it's a bit complicated, but just to educate the general public how you can use the tools to design any discount label that you like. Okay, that's why it seems that is why it seems it's too complicated. Now then I need one of the discount. Let's see, so what this one will be how much. Can change the color. This one will be how much, because of its complexity. Let's make it let's say 80. Okay, good. And you select all like this. Okay, and I can put it on the background to make it more visible. Okay, good. And then find a nice background and put it inside. Like let's say this one, right click, order like this. Okay, or something like this, or something like this. Okay, but I think I prefer the yellow one. Then I remove the outline of the shape. Then I have to change this one so that it will be a bit, this one, because of the shadow, that is why it is disturbing me. So good, this is the color I chose. Let me make it a bit deeper. Good. Before I put this one back. Good. So I've selected all, then I group it. Okay. So this another discount label. Okay. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please, if you have any comment, kindly drop it under the comment section. And let me bring this one here. Sorry, I have to group it. Bring this one here, and this one will be here. Good. The arrangement is a bit better now. Good, 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 good. This one is also okay here. Reduce this one a bit. Good. So viewers, this is the end of the tutorial. Some of the discount labels. Okay, yeah, this is how it is. Some of the discount labels, the preview for it, for you to see. You see, good. So these are some of the discount labels that you can design with ease. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any comment, kindly drop it under the comment section. And please, if you are new to the channel, subscribe for more graphic design tutorials. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.